The ingredients we are going to be adding is Carotone body spot corrector, 1 tablespoon. This lotion can be used by anyone. It can be used anytime. This one is very thick. It's very thick and is white because of the emo oil that is present. You can see how thick it is. Hi lovers, welcome to Extreme Therapy. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to promix your Caro white lotion that will best suit your skin without giving you any challenge. So guys, here is my workstation, and in here we have our Caro white base. Caro white base is a strong whitening base, but the problem on this base is that a lot of people do complain about some reaction, stretch marks, white patches, green veins that they got from Caro white. But trust me, if you can actually mix this base very well, it's going to give you the desired result you want. Then we have here Caro white base because the person is a fair skin person and she also wants to lighten up more. Then that's why we are using Caro white as the base. We also have here our Dissar vitamin C moisturizing lotion, because I want this cream to be so moisturizing. So this is going to help to calm the harshness, the chemicals from the Caro white, and the product is still going to be very, very effective. Then we have here a Carotone serum. This one will help to correct all the spots on the body. And we have here our Argan Oil. This is Argan facial oil. I decided to add this particular one because it's loaded with a lot of nutrients. It's not just the regular Argan oil, but this one can be used on the face. It has it contains emo oil for moisturizing. It contains emo oil. It contains a rosehip oil. Then we have here a vitamin E oil. We have here a vitamin E oil that will also help to moisturize the skin. We have here a tea tree because this cream she normally uses for our face and our body. This tea tree is going to help to prevent whiteheads, pimples from a face. Then we also have here a mango butter. We have here a mango butter, and we also have here a shea butter. So these butters are going to be melted. They are going to be melted in a double boiler method before we are going to add it into this mix. So we already have a shea butter measured out 1 tablespoon, and we have here a mango butter. Remember the shea butter I'm using the Senegalese shea butter, the one that is not too reddish, because I love that one so much. So I'm going to double boil this and I'm going to be back. So while we are waiting for our butters to get melted, so this is the Caro white. I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl. I'm not doing much, so I don't want to use my measurement scale, and secondly my measurement scale is not close by. Then we have here Dissar moisturizing lotion vitamin C. So let's stir this together a bit before we proceed. The next ingredient we are going to be adding is Carotone body spot corrector, 1 tablespoon. This lotion can be used by anyone. It can be used anytime, be it morning or night. You use this lotion, you are good to go. Then we are going to add our Argan oil. So that's why I said this is not the regular Argan oil. If you can see the way this one is very thick, it's very thick and is white because of the emo oil that is present. You can see how thick it is. Then we are going to add our vitamin E oil, just a little quantity, half a tablespoon. Then we are going to add our anti-reaction 7+7. So this is going to help to, as far as the base has been calm, this is still going to be like a barrier to prevent the lotion from giving any bad review on the skin, maybe causing stretch marks. 7+7 is actually very good because it helps to prevent stretch marks. Sometimes you can use this 7+7 on your face cream. Can use it to treat white patches as well. Can be used on stretch marks. Then we are going to add our tea tree. Remember I said she do use this cream sometimes on the face, so whenever you are making a lotion that can also be used on the skin, can also be used on the face, sorry, you need to always add a tea tree. Tea tree oil is very important. So now we have melted our butter. So this is the butters, they've all melted. So we are going to add this into the mixture. Remember I told you that this lotion does not only whiten the skin, it helps to moisturize. The skin will be glowing, your skin will be shiny, you're going to look wonderful. So you stir it very well. You notice that the lotion is becoming lighter, but that's not a problem because immediately we stick blend this, is going to be very thick. Then the last ingredients we are going to be adding to this mix. The last ingredients we are going to be adding to this mix is our propylene glycol. I don't make any product without adding propylene glycol because this will help this product to penetrate deeply into the skin. Some products that do cause white patches and a lot of blemishes on the skin is because the product is not penetrating well into the skin. So that's why it stays on the layer of the skin. Instead of it to whiten the skin, it just stays on the layer of the skin, and it's now cause a patch and a white dots on the skin. But then whenever you add a propylene glycol to your lotion, to your face cream, you are not going to be having such. And remember, propylene glycol should be used on little percentage. You can also add glycerin into this, but with the butters I've had, I'm okay with it. So that's why you notice I'm not working with glycerin, because any formulation I'm making I always use glycerin because glycerin is very good. So guys, thanks for your time, thanks for watching. If you know you like my video, you love my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. I'm going to be dropping my number on the description box. You can purchase your raw material directly from us. You can shop your favorite skincare products from our website. We have our distributors all over the country. You can call any of our distributor and you can place an order. So if you want me to make any review, any formulation on any products, you can also drop it in the comment section. I'll go through them and I will respond. Have a wonderful day.